what this thing is about is not to give a recipe. It's not about information in a lot of ways. It's really about cultivating imagination. That I think what we're talking about is figuring out how would we imagine different ways to communicate and embody the love of God in the lives of students and young adults. And so I hope that if nothing else, when you come out of this, that you have a sense of stimulated imagination about what's possible or what's conceivable to do ministry in a different way with youth in your context. And I hope that I get across my joy in doing work this way and tell enough stories to give you a picture of what's brought that joy. I am going to try to litter this with stories along the way. Be thinking about as you go through this, what connects with you or something that you're already doing. I think most innovation is really about riffs on things that already exist. And most entrepreneurial youth ministry, I think, has the opportunity to come from things that you're already interested in. That's the number one question I ask when people call me and they're like, I want to do something entrepreneurial, or can I start my own landscaping company? Which is, you'll hear about in a little bit. But and usually my first question is, well, what do you love? Like, what do you really enjoy doing? And chances are that any great entrepreneurial idea or small one that you might have to do youth ministry differently is going to come from that place, how God has wired you, what God has cultivated in you. And so you have to pay attention to that.